wonderful people, it's your girl Chet here once again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana and make sure you hit that subscribe button. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always staying tuned and for always watching my content. So guys, in today's video I'll be clarifying about the modes of shipping and the costs incurred in the entire shipping process from China to Kenya. Okay, generally we have two modes of shipping, which is air and sea. And because most of the imports are usually for business purposes, okay, I don't mean to say that you can ship for personal use. Yes, you can. But if you're in business, you need to be careful and do your math well to see whether your business will still make economical sense if you ship using either modes of shipping. So the main aim is to have your goods delivered on time, within selected suitable schedules, and at the lowest costs possible. So guys, there are several factors that you need to consider before choosing your mode of shipping. So guys, the first factor that you need to consider when choosing your mode of shipping is the cost. Most of the companies normally check for the actual weight of your products in kilograms. And so they normally charge between $13 to $15 per kg. So converting that to Kenyan shillings depends with the current dollar exchange rate in the market. And so you can check that out. Also, the cost that you will be paying should be inclusive of customs clearance, imports duties, taxes, and generally any other expense that might be incurred in the entire shipping process of your goods from China to Kenya. But also that depends with the shipping company that you choose. So you will also find out that the companies have minimum weight that they can be able to ship. That is usually 1 kg, meaning if you ship anything less than a kg, you might end up paying the same price as that of 1 kg or even paying higher. So I would advise you, if you choose to ship via air, at least make sure that your products are a kg and above to avoid paying more, because the airlines charge higher for smaller packages. On the other hand, for sea shipments, they don't check for the weight of your products. Rather, they check for the space that your package will be occupying, or let's say the volume of your package in cubic meters, which is popularly known as the CBM. So most of the companies charge between 50,000 to 65,000 Kenyan shillings per CBM. CBM is usually 1 meter length by 1 meter width by 1 meter height. So for you to be able to obtain the CBM of your package, you just need to have the dimensions, the length, the width, and the height, and then you calculate using the normal formula, length times width times height. That is how you obtain the CBM. So just like we have minimum weight that can be shipped via air, we also have minimum CBM that can be shipped via sea. So that is something that you need to check out with your shipping company. So guys, I hope you understand the difference. That is, via air, they check for the weight of your products in kilograms, and via sea, they check for your volume of your package in cubic meters. That is the difference. So the second factor that you need to consider when choosing your mode of shipping is the time taken. If you don't want to wait for long to have your goods delivered here in Kenya, you can choose air because it takes 7 to 10 days, whereas for sea it takes 30 to 45 days, which is almost a month and a half. So depending with the urgency of your goods, you'll be able to choose the mode of shipping that is most suitable for you. Air has its own advantages and disadvantages. Sea also has its own advantages and disadvantages. So, for example, if you're shipping lightweight products, those that are not heavy, I would advise you to choose air. But if your products are heavy, sea would be best suitable. So guys, as I conclude, there are several ways you can make sure that you avoid unnecessary charges. First, make sure that your information is correct, your shipping information is correct. Again, avoid using a larger box than you need, because of course that is going to increase the weight and the volume of your package, and you might end up paying more. Also, we have goods that are termed to be dangerous. They are termed to be highly explosive and flammable if shipped via air, and so they end up incurring additional charges if you want them shipped via air. For example, we have lithium batteries, we have flammable liquids like perfumes, we have lighters. So for those items, or if you want to ship an item that is termed to be dangerous or DGR, you can just opt out and ship it via sea to avoid paying extra. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you've learned something. Make sure you stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and comment. Thank you, guys. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.